Whether it's searching for videos on YouTube, using voice commands, getting similar reels on your social media feed, generating content with ChatGPT, or having shopping options appear based on your needs while browsing the internet. All of this is the magic of AI, or artificial intelligence. By the way, you're watching SoftwareHope, and our team has created videos on many aspects of artificial intelligence. But today's video is dedicated to the real-life applications of AI. So let's explore how AI works in real life. Basically, AI, or artificial intelligence, means putting human brain capabilities into machines, making them capable of thinking like humans. To understand this, you first need to understand how artificial intelligence works. AI is actually a field of computer science that simulates the human brain. In an AI system, information needs to be fed in, which has a data source. Then the AI system processes it, creates models based on pre-trained methods, and gives results based on data, interacts, or mimics the human brain. The more data that's fed into AI, the better it becomes. However, not all AI systems require big data sources. Actually, big data is the most important part of artificial intelligence. AI needs 4 major processes to function: machine learning, neural networks, data processing, and algorithms. Let's understand each one by one. Machine learning, or ML, is called the foundation of AI. It simply means teaching machines how the human brain works. For this, whatever data is fed into machine learning tools, the AI system creates datasets from it, so it can learn how to make decisions and predictions for performing specific tasks without any software programming. Although machine learning processes enable AI systems to learn from data, software programming and algorithms are still needed to process data and extract useful information and insights from it. Now this data is in such large quantities that it can be called a data pyramid. Mathematical models are needed to process this data. Image classification is a good example of this. Sometimes when you visit a website, you're asked to select images that show traffic lights or identify pictures with cats. How does the system know whether you've selected the right image or not? This is machine learning. The next major component of AI is neural networks, which are called the building blocks of AI. Actually, AI system machine learning happens because of neural networks, which are biologically inspired neural network architectures. Just like neurons in the human brain are connected to each other, neural networks have many hidden layers. Data processing happens as it passes through these layers. When data passes layer by layer, the machine enters the deep learning phase, and this way, connecting all the data connections, the AI system gives the best results. This happens in this way. First, the input layer receives data. Then, hidden layers process the data. And finally, the output layer provides results. Data is most essential for artificial intelligence. Data is also called fuel for AI systems, because without data sets, it's impossible to train AI models. Such data sets should have several features. Data should be complete without any missing data. Data consistency should be maintained for AI systems to function. Data should be accurate without any incorrect data. Data should also be up to date without any outdated information. To train AI systems, normally 3 types of data inputs are given: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Structured data includes dates, addresses, credit card numbers, number series, and other standard input methods. In structured data, data is always in a standard format. Unstructured data lacks specific information, like unstructured text, images, and videos. AI systems try to find patterns in this. For this, AI systems use NLP, natural language processing, computer vision, and many other methods for data processing. Semi-structured data is used when AI systems don't have any predefined model. This type of data uses JSON, XML, and CSV file formats. Taking this approach provides benefits of unstructured data sources and makes it easy to store available data for training. As the last important component of artificial intelligence, algorithms do the work of problem solving. Algorithms are called the backbone of AI. Algorithms are actually mathematical procedures whose job is to tell how AI systems will learn, improve decision-making, and handle problem solving. Raw data is converted into useful information through algorithms and becomes useful for clients in companies. Now that you understand how an AI system works, let's look at some real-life examples. Actually, surrounded by today's technological advancements, we use AI features, devices, technologies, and systems from morning to evening, which make our lifestyle easier and also influence it. As soon as we wake up, we pick up our smartphones and check social media updates. Some people unlock their phones with biometrics, while others use Face ID. If you have an Apple phone that opens with Face ID, Apple's Face ID has 3D technology that focuses 30,000 invisible infrared dots on your face and captures your image. After that, machine learning algorithms compare whether the data of your face stored in the phone matches the data being scanned, your face. Then, the AI system decides whether to open the phone with Face ID or not. Apple says their Face ID technology is so powerful that the possibility of fooling it is 1 in a million. After unlocking your phone, when you go to social media platforms, you check overnight updates and notifications. Here, AI works behind the scenes and filters what to show you, serving it on your screen based on your surfing habits, search results, shopping, routine posts and pictures, voice commands, location, etc. AI systems know what you like to watch from your past history, and friend recommendations, shopping advice, food choices, and news updates are all sent to you. Not only that, machine learning technology also works to protect you from fake news, fraud, and cyberbullying. Every day when we reach the office, our first task is to check our email. I'm sure you have grammar or other spell check tools activated on your system. When you write emails, these spell check tools help us write error-free messages and correct sentence formation. For this, these tools use artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Also, when mails are received in your inbox, artificial intelligence remains active to filter spam messages, identifying suspected spam and blocking them. In fact, the antivirus software installed on your system also protects your email account through machine learning methods. To check whether we have an internet connection in our system, we type Google in the address bar, and we can't go a day without Google search. So the results Google gives by scanning the entire internet on our search commands are made possible by artificial intelligence. Also, the ads we see on websites, blogs, or YouTube channels are AI-enabled. For example, when you're watching a long-duration video and have spent considerable time, AI understands that you'll definitely watch that video, so ads appear on it. Our homes are becoming smarter day by day. Voice command devices, sensor lights, automatic temperature control and cooling systems, smart refrigerators that give their owners lists of what's spoiling in the fridge and what needs to be bought. All these are IoT, Internet of Things devices that are AI-enabled. When it comes to shopping, Amazon, the world's largest online retailer selling everything we need, has artificial intelligence working 24/7 on its website. If you regularly order things from Amazon, the site's AI algorithm knows what you and other people like you prefer. Then Amazon recommendations start appearing accordingly. Additionally, many sponsored brands also display at the top. When we install any application, it asks for access to our mic, gallery, contacts, etc., and we give it. Now suppose you said your earphones broke. Your conversations go to apps through your phone's mic, and from there, this data is filtered and goes to companies and shopping websites. After that, if earphones are being suggested to you on your Amazon app, or their advertisements are appearing on your timeline, this happens through AI. At the end of the day, when you relax, You often watch web series and movies on OTT platforms to freshen your mood. If you've opened Netflix, the company's AI-supported recommendation engine suggests movies or web series based on your past viewing history. So we can easily say that our daily life is AI-driven, AI-supported, and sometimes even a choice of AI. Example of the coronavirus outbreak. When COVID-19 was at its peak, to develop a vaccine, researchers accessed sets of data related to thousands of patients' medical profiles. For this, the virus genes and proteins were studied, such as spike proteins. AI played an important role in vaccine development by studying this. An AI system studies thousands or millions of components in such complicated structures and finds that one component capable of developing immunity in the human body. Also, to ensure that the vaccine remains effective over time, AI systems keep finding components that don't have the potential to mutate or change. This is possible through computational analysis and machine learning algorithms. AI systems provide data insights to vaccine researchers and make it easier to study whether viruses will mutate in the near future. For this, big data sources are needed again, which come from thousands of experimental and real-world sources. During the COVID-19 pandemic, there was no shortage of such data because the entire world was affected by the coronavirus. In 2019, the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases conducted the first AI-based flu vaccine clinical trial in the USA. After that, university scientists developed a vaccine using an AI tool called Synthetic Chemist, which could generate millions of synthetic chemical compounds. Researchers then used an AI program called Search Algorithm for Ligands, SAM, which identified that one molecule from billions of trillions of molecules that was helpful in making a good vaccine. This way, AI reduced the multi-year process of vaccine development. Generative AI tools recognize singing patterns, tempo, and voice pace to convert your voice into a specific personality's or celebrity's voice. Generative AI takes text, images, videos, designs, musical notes, or any other input as data, and generates completely accurate content or exact replicas using different AI algorithms. Such results include pictures, audio, voices, essay solutions to problems, realistic fakes, or deepfake content. ChatGPT, Google Bard, Avatar AI, Microsoft Bing's image creator are some of the most popular examples of generative AI. Keep watching SoftwareHope, and please let us know how you found this information in the comments section. If you've already liked it, don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet you again soon. Until then, thank you.